Fly Fishing with the Guides, featuring Steve Henderson. High mountain streams with crystal clear water, rivers and lakes full of strong, healthy fish. Catching them on dry flies, streamers, and nymphs any season of the year. Steve Henderson and his guests are your guides to fantastic fly fishing action on their favorite waters.
That was great.
The fish are beautiful. And a few get away too. The scenery is always breathtaking. Fly Fishing with the Guides, featuring Steve Henderson. Steve's guest guide today is Mike Cosby, and we're fishing on Mike's family's ranch, the Beaver Valley Ranch in beautiful northwest Colorado. It's a great day to go fishing. Come on along on Fly Fishing with the Guides. Today we're in the Rocky Mountains in the northwest corner of the state of Colorado, just outside of Steamboat Springs. Your host and guide, Steve Henderson.
Fishing with a buddy of mine, Mike Cosby, today out at his folks' place, Beaver Valley Ranch. We've got the East Fork of the Williams Fork. It's running just a little bit cloudy today from some recent rains, but we should be able to pick up a few fish. Beautiful setting, wonderful stream. We're going to see some rainbows. We got a chance of seeing some cutthroat, some mountain whitefish in this stream as well. We're just going to get out there and explore and pursue and see how many fish we can catch. There's fish. He's actually up higher and faster water than I would have expected. Nice wild cutthroat. This fish right here can trace its lineage all the way back tens of thousands of years into this river. Colorado River cutthroat. And from this section of the stream, or from this stream in general, I think all of the cutthroats tend to be a little bit more, I definitely don't want to use the word bland in color, but they aren't quite as orange as they are in some of the clear places. They tend to be a little bit more bronzed colored, but the fins on them are just beautiful. That's a Colorado River cutthroat. Look at the cutthroat right underneath its gill plate there. Characteristic of all cutthroats. There we go. That's a beautiful fish. That's what we came here for. Let him go. That was nice.
Nice fish.
It was very nice. See if we can do that again. And again and again and again.